I left eating meat just before the test series started. A cervical spine issue. One of the discs in my cervical spine, they bulged out.
Wow.
I couldn't sleep at night, and my stomach was too acidic. So my body was creating too much uric acid. Started pulling calcium from my bones, and my bones got weaker, and that's why I got this issue.
Hi, I am Dr. Kunal Shah, orthopedic and sports injury specialist at Ashutosh Hospital, Vadodara. I am also a big Virat Kohli fan. When I saw this clip, I realized what Virat Kohli would have felt when people like us comment on how he should be leaving balls outside the off stump or how he should be playing the cover drive. Let us do a medical fact check of what he said. He says that because of having a lot of meat, his stomach was getting acidic and it was pulling calcium from his bones that lead to a disc prolapse compressing his nerve. Well, this is not medically true. Usually people who have high amount of meat and non-vegetarian diet can have high uric acid levels. However, it doesn't increase the acidity in the stomach, nor does it lead to absorption of calcium from the bones. Uric acid can deposit as uric acid crystals in the joints. Now, because of high meat intake, there is chronic inflammation which can lead to joint pain. So there are two factors here. One is high uric acid levels and other is chronic inflammation. This could aggravate joint pain as well as neck and other kinds of muscle pain. The cervical disc prolapse, that is the protrusion of a disc in the cervical vertebra or the neck vertebra, would have led to a pinching of the nerve in his arm. This could have happened because he is a very high performance athlete with a lot of stress, acute and chronic on his neck. Now when he turned vegetarian, there was obviously a decrease in the uric acid levels. Also, the chronic inflammation would have decreased gradually. As a result, he experienced a lot of pain relief, higher energy levels and very fast recovery. So, although the explanation he intends to give is not medically correct, but yes, a lot of the effects of leaving non-vegetarian food would have helped him. So the next time you hear your favorite celebrity talk about a subject, do consult the subject experts before you follow them. If you like this content, do subscribe to our channel as it would motivate me and my team to make further such videos.